Hi Gemini and welcome to Divine Enchantress. This is your mid-June, mid-month love reading. So for the mid to the end of month, let's see what is in store for you for love. So Gemini, as I always see, these are general readings, so they may or may not resonate with you. So take them however they resonate. Also, you can find me for your personal consultations or therapy needs on my website Divine Enchantress, that is mentioned below, and or on Facebook as well as on Instagram. All right, so let's see what we have in store for you, Gemini. And this is Believe in the Impossible Blue Moon. This is like my most favorite card from the deck. And we have You Are Good Enough. Beautiful. So for some of you, I feel from these cards intuitively, I feel that you could have really deep personal personality issues wherein you feel unworthy or not good enough in terms of love or relationships, or you just feel that you are not the person that is able to keep balance or keep contentment in this scenario. But believe in the impossible is the message. All right, so Gemini, we'll see right away as to what further messages could come for your June mid-month love reading. All right, as I say, I would also recommend that you please check out the channel for your weekly readings that is posted every Monday. I may go live every Monday for your weekly readings as well. Alright, so Gemini, I would say do check out the channel for your weekly readings. That is Indian Standard Time each Monday. Alright, and also your detailed monthly readings are posted there. So Gemini, we have, let's see, we have over here. All right, wow. So the bottom, I would say, is the Page of Cups, and wow. So Gemini, you are good enough when you got this card. Now for some of you, I feel for some of you, your relationship situation is going kind of stagnant, or you are feeling helpless in a certain situation. I completely apologize if this doesn't resonate with you. It may not with everyone. All right, so take it however it does. So I feel that there is a feeling of lack or stagnancy in the present situation of your relationship or love. It could be overall in general with emotions, or it could be your finances, or you just feel that you are not a suitable match for this person. You just feel that you are not good enough. All right, and that is a hoax, Gemini. You shouldn't be feeling this, because you have to believe in the impossible. We have the Death card. Also, because I feel that this situation is gonna end, this feeling of being unworthy, with the Death card, I take it as actually a very spiritually mature omen, I would say, because you are good enough, Gemini. For some of you, you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, or Pisces, or anyone in general, but I would say, Gemini, that you are good enough. And when it comes to your finances, or if it is about your being the provider, or being when it comes to emotionally, now I welcome all again the cross watchers. So even if you are checking out on your special, Gemini, then I would say it could be your own energy wherein you feel stuck, wherein you feel that there is a mismatch in this situation. There is like a difference of opinion or difference of a lifestyle. But believe me, this feeling of this entire situation to be impossible, or your crush is too good for you, or this is just impossible, then believe in the impossible is the message for you. For those who are single, as well as for those who are in a relationship, if you felt that you would never be able to match up those standards, then please fear not, because with the Death card, there is going to be a death of this particular stagnancy, of this feeling of not being good enough, or being not up to the mark. All right, this is gonna end, Gemini. This toxic constant overthinking and underestimating yourself, this cycle is gonna end, because you are gonna understand that this person values you, and this person is here to surprise you. So just believe in the impossible, because with the Page of Cups, it's like surprises, it's like emotional kind of satisfaction, emotional surprises that you did not expect. All right, Gemini, but for that you have to manifest, and you have to believe in yourself that you deserve this situation. to come out of and to end this constant toxic mode that you keep yourself on, because you are worthy of so many things, Gemini. And constantly believing that this is impossible, then no, just believe that even if it is impossible, it says I am possible, there's a possibility for this to definitely surprise you. So believe in the impossible, in whatever that is on your mind when it comes to now. Even for those who are, as I said, already in a relationship, and you have been feeling this unworthy feeling of this whole responsibilities, or there is going to be a certain death of this stagnant situations. This is going to be a good death. This is going to be a good kind of death, because it is going to end this remorse. It is going to end this stagnancy, if it is all right. Or if you are single and if you felt that you were not having this perfect match for you, or you were just not having someone compatible enough for you, then I would say, Gemini, that is also gonna end. So the stagnancy ends and the surprises walk in. All right, so this is so beautiful, Gemini, and you are good enough. Believe in that. You believe in the magic that you have to offer. So I really hope that you all are safe, and I thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this resonates with you, and if it does, please do like and subscribe the channel. I will really appreciate it. All right, your July readings will be up soon, so stay tuned to the channel, and thank you so much for watching, Gemini. Have a very blessed time. Bye bye.